With a staggering range of over 500 miles, the Chinese Shark is poised to make waves in global markets. BYD, the Chinese automotive giant, has unveiled its first pickup truck, the Shark, at an exclusive event in Mexico City. The 2024 BYD Shark is a midsize pickup equipped with a plug-in hybrid powertrain capable of covering more than 500 miles. This marks BYD's first global debut outside China, highlighting Mexico's strategic importance for the company's future, despite the ongoing controversy surrounding Chinese EVs in North America. The Shark is set to challenge established players like the Ford Ranger, Chevrolet Colorado, Toyota Hilux, and Nissan Navara in global markets. While BYD doesn't currently sell vehicles in the U.S., the Shark could significantly impact markets where pickup trucks are in high demand, such as Latin America and Asia. Initially, the Shark will be manufactured in China, but BYD plans to announce the location of its new Mexican plant soon, which may eventually produce the Shark. Bold design. Designed by Wolfgang Egger, BYD's global design director with a pedigree from Alfa Romeo, Audi, and Lamborghini, the Shark boasts a robust and angular design. Its resemblance to the Ford F-150 Lightning is noticeable, with squared headlights and taillights and a light bar spanning the front and rear. The BYD branding is prominently displayed on the tailgate and grille, reminiscent of the F-150 Raptor. Inspired by its namesake Predator, the Shark features a front rocker panel, wide wheel arches, a raised beltline, and a lack of chrome, giving it a rugged, overlanding appeal. With a 128.3-inch wheelbase, it maintains good proportions and off-road capability. Inside, the Shark's cabin is highlighted by vibrant color accents. Orange-painted rectangular air vents and toggle switches contrast with the stitching on the seats, dashboard, and door panels. The center console houses a chunky shifter and a handy tray for small items on the passenger's dashboard. The centerpiece is a rotatable 12.8-inch screen, similar to those in the BYD UN Plus and Seal, which can switch between portrait and landscape modes, and supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A 10.25-inch driver display provides essential information, complemented by a 12-inch head-up display for speed and navigation data. Impressive capability. The 2024 BYD Shark is powered by a 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with two electric motors, delivering a combined 430 GP. Although torque figures are not provided, BYD claims the plug-in hybrid truck can tow up to 5,511 pounds and handle a payload of 1,841 pounds. The Shark accelerates from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 5.7 seconds. Its 30 kWh blade battery enables an EV-only range of 62 miles, extending to 528 miles with a full tank and charged battery, outperforming any other midsize hybrid pickup truck in America. Despite being a PHEV, it supports fast charging via a CCS-1 port, allowing a 20 to 80% charge in about 30 minutes. BYD's dual-mode off-road chassis features an intelligent all-wheel drive system with a virtual differential to prevent wheel slip. It offers 3 off-road modes: sand, snow, and mud. We're eager to test these capabilities and see how the Shark measures up against other mid-size trucks. Like other modern EVs, the Shark can power various devices, from farming tools to camping equipment. Owners can remotely access the interior through the BYD app to control the AC, windows, or locks. Pricing and availability. The 2024 BYD Shark won't be available in the U.S., but it will debut in Mexico, starting at $53,440. 2 versions will be offered, the GL and GS, both featuring the same powertrain. The specific differences between the models likely pertain to interior features. The Shark will be available in Mexico in the coming weeks, with reservations now open.